Okay.
Woo! Survived the hurricane, and now we gotta survive opening that. Mail call right here with
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Ah, yes. So that was a big hue on our part, but this is how we celebrate surviving. We buy more Hot Wheels.
This is the hurricane party.
Hurricane party. Yeah. And we're not partying. We're partying because we're happy that it missed us. We're happy about that. We're not one of these dumb guys that go, oh, for nothing, bro. Oh. We're not one of those guys. No. We're just so joyous that we went out and we splurged.
Well, there's two kinds of hurricane parties. We have the before, because we're going to get hit, so we gotta have fun.
That's why you never see us.
And then there's the after one where you gotta eat everything before it spoils.
Yes, and that's why you see us. Well, you don't technically see us. You see our hands, but you know.
As if we needed a reason to party.
Yeah. Not that you guys want to see us. That's why we show our hands, because if you did, you guys would be scared. Like, oh my God, is it the hills have eyes?
Okay, so what do we got in this bag?
I don't know. The whole point of this is you opening it, and we can find out.
So you might get a little hint.
This is CN23.
Yeah. Well, the cars behind it.
Okay.
So we have the Batmobile, the Chevy Blazer, and we have the Chevy custom van. That's the 18 one. And now we have what is going to be car number...
Somebody's dentures behind there.
Yeah, actually, I like how they packed it.
That's actually, they actually took their time. Look at it, they actually put the popcorn on the side. And
it's in there pretty tight.
That's good, bro. That's actually a good pack.
Yeah.
Even though the container's bust, but that's okay.
When I first grabbed the package, I was like, what's in this thing? There's a box. But it's wrapped and wrapped and wrapped.
Look like it was making somebody's lunch, bro. Look like on musubi, bro.
Yeah, so let me push
on
this
Hot
out.
Wheel musubi, bro.
So what is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Looks like a T. Looks like a drag bus. It's a drag bus.
It is.
Oh! Drop them and boss them right live on camera. Yeah. The fun never ceases here on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yep.
So
we like to bust over here, and so.
Well, it's a good thing it was a loose, unspun.
So it was a slutty.
Yeah.
Slutty van. Yeah.
Nobody just saw me put that back together.
There we go. No, we never seen that. We just saw your paw. That's about it.
Okay, so let's get that in the close-up.
Wow, that is nice.
Yeah. So because it's unspun, of course the top separates from the bottom, and
the wheels move and everything moves, and
But this is number 5. So we have 1, 4, 5. Oh no, this is 5 and 6. I'm still waiting on the gasser. It just got mailed.
That means that's just what that means is they just made them.
Yeah, it was on double back order. It was supposed to be here in March, and then they said in June, and now it's.
That's hint for saying, too much employees took them. We gotta make some more.
Yeah.
Not
people like me buying them off the internet like this, and they never made it to the mail-ins. But here we go. I digress. Here's number 5, the drag bus.
Yes.
Well, it's not a bus. What is this? T2 drag.
T1 drag. T1 panel drag. I don't know they call it drag. It's not like it's raining then. Hallelujah. So it's not none of that kind.
What kind of drag?
Yeah, different kind drag. This vroom on the street kind.
Yeah, car.
Yeah, car.
All I want to do is zoom.
Yeah.
And okay, and a drag bus.
Yeah.
So let's put all the ones they do have together. Here's number 6. Do another photo. What do you call this? Yearbook photo.
Pic.
Yeah. And this is 1. We have 4. And as soon as I get the 2 in, we'll put that in.
So what happened after 1? They decided, hey, we just go paint them red, bro.
Yeah, I don't understand that. But the Blazer does look good in the Zamac.
Yeah, but the T1 bus looks more candy red.
Yeah.
Like the candy really, you can tell it stands out a lot better. The other two look like it's a dark maroon red.
Yeah, this one.
But that's more of a candy red.
Let me try and get.
Because you can see in the front of the bus, the face.
Yeah.
You can see the candy just come out.
I wonder if it's because of the lighting.
I don't know, maybe the same lights they're shining on the Batmobile though. You're not getting the glistening effect.
Maybe we can put it like this.
Yeah, no, it looks more like a metallic.
Yeah, the drag bus looks.
Yeah,
better.
the drag bus looks like a candy purple, and the Batmobile in the van looks more like a metallic maroon.
Yep. So as of this recording today, I've mailed in my final Chevy van paperwork today. So we're looking at 2 months before we get the last one.
I wonder if they're all supposed to be candy. We just ruined it for everybody by going.
Oh.
You know, maybe the guys that make them like stupid goodies, bro. What are you guys gonna say that for?
Yeah. Well, because they don't pay us.
Yeah, they don't pay us, exactly. And maybe if you pay us, we'll be like everybody else and go, oh, but it's just beautiful. It's my favorite model.
Yeah.
Oh, we just kidding. Come on.
Yeah, we are not sponsored.
We're not sponsored. We're just sore losers.
Yeah, that is that is it. We are sore losers.
We're just all sick and nobody like sponsor us.
Because we have to buy them.
Yeah, so since we gotta buy them, we can just do whatever we like. You know, but if somebody was to sponsor us, then we gotta be like, oh my god, this is my favorite one, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have to be nice and proper.
Yeah,
and not forget who the sponsor is.
Exactly.
Like in the well, it wasn't a sponsor, but I was standing in the reseller store and I said the wrong name.
Exactly.
Oh goodness. All right, well let's close it out.
All right, so we're done here. Like and subscribe. I'd like to thank everybody that came out and watched us, that likes our videos, that subscribe to our videos. Mucho mahalos.
Yes.
We do appreciate it big time. We don't forget who you are. Don't forget, we got another prop session coming. What is that? We're going to name all the guys that like us because we like you back, bro. That's why we do it.
And we just passed 99 subscribers.
Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo! Yeah, we proud of that, okay? We're not like, 99, we just got to bust 100. But I'm not saying we get 100 in power now, you guys. We gotta keep going, okay? Because, we're trying, eh? We're just trying. I'm getting tired, eat couple noodle, okay? Every day I gotta eat that thing. Not easy,
It's better when you put Vienna sausage inside.
Wait, you mean you put water in that thing? Frick, I've been eating that damn thing dry, bro.
I know, good.
Maybe I'm gonna try with water this time. Okay, we out. Kidding. Bye.